Welcome to AOC. Let's break down part 3 of the IELTS speaking exam. Here you'll answer opinion-based questions connected to part 2. For example, if part 2 asks about a memorable restaurant, part 3 might ask, why do you think dining out is becoming more popular? Take your time and share a clear, logical opinion. Use phrases like, in my opinion, or I believe. This part is your chance to shine. Follow AOC for more tips and book a lesson to practice. Like, subscribe, and let's get you IELTS ready.